these two talented women are a folk duo from Sweden. They're sisters, and they do an amazing blend of harmonies. I have heard this song before, but I haven't seen this performance, and they're singing this song, their song, Emmylou, in front of Emmylou Harris, who it was inspired by, and the title says she cries. And I'll probably cry too. If you're interested to hear what I sound like when I sing, I have just done a cover of Wicked Games by Chris Isaak, and it's on Spotify and also here on YouTube, so please do check that out and let me know what you think.
Thank you. When we were 14 and 16, we discovered the music of Emmylou Harris and Graham Parsons, and it was quite the musical revelation for us.
You know what's really funny is because they're Swedish, but they have a kind of like southern, like the south of America accent. Like it's quite, I wonder if that's how they learned English. That's so funny.
And we were so inspired that we wrote this song, which is about the joy and the magic of singing together with someone that you love.
And we never ever thought that we'd play this in front of you, Emmylou. It's an incredible honor. Thank you so much for all the inspiration.
Oh, she's already going.
Oh, the bitter winds are coming in, and I'm already missing the summer.
Such a warm.
Stockholm's cold, but I've been told I was born to endure this kind of weather.
It's so interesting, again, that kind of country accent, southern accent is in the singing, which comes from probably them listening to a lot of country music when they were younger, and they've taken that into their speaking as well, which is really funny. And it's so warm. What I'm loving is the contrast between the rhythmic drums, the slide guitar, the kind of the strummed guitar, and her vocals, which swaps between the two of that slidiness and then takes little elements of that bouncy rhythm as well.
When it's you, I find like a ghost in my mind. I am defeated, and I gladly wear the crown.
Beautiful lyrics.
I'll be your Emmylou, and I'll be your June, and you'll be
Oh, it blends so well.
my Johnny too. No, I'm not asking much of you. Just sit, little darling, sing with me.
You know, they have voices that are very similar in many ways because they're similar. They probably have a similar anatomy, a similar shape. There is a little bit more warmth in the first singer, and the higher harmony has a brightness, but it could just be where they are in their range. But what they do so well is they blend together like they've been singing together their entire lives. Surprise. No, it's so beautiful, and their timing is so beautiful, and they said something that when they sing together they can feel each other's emotions, and that's not surprising to me because I feel like if you're an empath, singing is one of the purest ways to zone in on other people. And it's so interesting because when choirs sing together, the heartbeats of the people singing start to sync up. That is so cute, isn't it? Singing is the best.
So much I know that things just don't grow if you don't bless them with your patience. And I've been there before. I held up the door for every stranger with
Even like where they put the S on the end of they're just so spot on. They know exactly, I bet they've sung this song a million times, but it is so precise now, and it's like beyond, they don't have to think about it, they're just so perfect with it. Beautiful. It makes me so happy. They're having the best time as well. It makes me want to cry too. Ooh. I love this, how she's keeping it heavier, she's taking off the vibrato, and it makes it feel like a big moment in the song, because we've had all these lovely these lovely kind of sweeping flips, and now to make it really full without any vibrato gives a good contrast to the rest of the song, because the rest of it has that fluidity and a little bit more rhythm again, less of that kind of sweepy slidey thing that you're getting in the slide guitar. And a lovely contrast again going into switching it all to head voice, so it sounds fragile and quiet, and you've got the kind of the louder, more tribal kind of, hey, we're singing this out, and then they bring us in. It's a real master at storytelling, because they're being like, audience, here we are, now come in and listen to me. So they are playing with the audience's expectations in order to make something that's beautiful and surprise us. You'll be my Graham and my Johnny too. Oh yeah, it's really touching. Not asking much of you, just sing, little darling, sing with me. I'll be your Emmylou and I'll be your Julie. You'll be my Graham and my Johnny too. No, I'm not asking much of you, just sing, little darling, sing with me. Just sing, little darling, sing with me. Very cute. Really beautiful. Oh, I love that. Well, no wonder Emmylou felt emotional, because it's such an emotional piece, and to feel like you have inspired that must be a wonderful feeling. And it was beautiful to see their enjoyment of the song, their enjoyment of singing together, and their ability to take us on this emotional journey. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.